Uh, okay, so hey guys, this is Aditya Puranik, and we'll now do the second part of the question. That is to reduce or this matrix into row reduced form. So before starting off on operations, will I'll give you a basic idea about what is the row reduced form. So in row reduced matrix, all zeros must be at the bottom. All zero rows, that is all the rows containing zeros, must be at the bottom. Secondly, the leading non-zero entry in each row must be on the right of the leading non-zero entry of all above rows. Okay, and thirdly, entries below leading non-zero entries must be zero. That is basically this. If this is the leading non-zero entry of our first row, the entries should be zero. Like this column, these two entries should be zero. They must be zero. Secondly, if this is the second row and this is the leading non-zero entry, then this must be zero. So that is basically the row reduced form. Now, so as we know, uh, if this is the leading non-zero entry, this must be, these two must be zero. So we will start off with making this zero. uh, we'll have our basic operation a 3 comma no, equals to a 3 comma semicolon minus 4 times of this row, that is 4 star a 2 comma this. So on running this, we'll get this element as 0. So we will get the resultant matrix as 3 1 2 5 1 2 minus 1 2 and 0 minus 5 5 minus 1. Okay, so this element is now turned to 0. Now turning this element 0, this one right here, will use another operation 2 equals to a 2 comma minus 1 by 3, like uh, using this as 1 by 3 times a 1. Okay, so now we'll get this element as 0, and the leading entry, the elements below the leading entry of our first row would be 0. First column would be 0. So this is the final matrix we would get. So now turning this into 0, we'll use another operation a 3 comma equals to a 3 third row plus 3 times a 2 comma so running this, we have this our matrix. So basically the third row has all the 0, that is basically it is a 0 row, and we'll have this as the element below all the leading non-zero entries are 0. And so basically this is our row reduced form. uh, Thank you, that's it for right now.